In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the game not fitting the screen for Steam games. If your games look stretched, have black bars, or seem zoomed in or cropped, the most common cause is a mismatch between your Windows display settings and the game's resolution. We'll walk through 3 quick checks to get everything fitting perfectly. First, make sure your desktop is set to your monitor's native resolution. This ensures Windows knows the exact pixel grid your screen is built for, like 1920 by 1080 on a standard 1080p display. Right-click your desktop, choose Display Settings, and look for the resolution drop-down. Set it to the recommended option, which is your monitor's native resolution. If this isn't set correctly, games will try to scale up or down and you'll often see black bars, blurry text, or parts of the image cut off. After changing it, give the screen a moment to adjust and confirm the change. Next, adjust the game's compatibility options through Steam. In your Steam library, right-click the game and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files section and click Browse. In the folder that opens, find the game's main executable file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then check Disable Display Scaling on High DPI settings. On some versions of Windows, this may appear as Override High DPI Scaling behavior with application selected, which serves the same purpose. Apply the changes and close the window. These tweaks help older titles or games built on engines like Unity handle full screen correctly on Windows 10 and 11. Preventing odd scaling and windowing behavior. Finally, set the in-game resolution to match your desktop. Launch the game, go into its video or graphics settings, and select the same resolution you just confirmed in Windows, for example 1920 by 1080. Matching these ensures the game renders exactly to your screen's grid without scaling artifacts. If there's a full screen or exclusive full screen option, keep it enabled if available, since it often pairs best with the settings you just applied. After applying the resolution, the image should snap into place without black bars or stretching. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.